wonderful birthday as you celebrate today. And God bless. And thank you for the friendship and for all the support as well. And enjoy your special day. And love you. Happy birthday, Miss Mary! Ayan, birthday mo na naman, Miss Mary. So, happy birthday sa nag-iisang Miss Mary ng YT. Ayan, more birthdays to come. At saka maraming salamat syempre palagi sa support, sa palakpak, kay Job, at sa pasilip-silip. Syempre, thank you so much talaga, Miss Mary. At mag-iingat palagi. At ano pa ba? Hope to see you soon again. So, happy birthday, Miss Mary! I love you! Mwah!
Mega love shoutout sa lahat ng nanood sa video na ito. This is Awesome Ruby ay babati ng ating birthday celebrant na si Miss Mary 0522. Miss Mary, it's your birthday again. Happy birthday. We're getting younger, older, and younger again. Diba? Happy birthday, Miss Mary. My only wish for you is be happy, be healthy, and be contented. Thank you sa lahat ng support mo sa akin at sa lahat ng kaibigan natin sa YT World. Thank you. You always there for me and to everyone. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your day. Enjoy life. Okay, Miss Mary. Always keep safe. I love you. Happy birthday. Bye.
Hello, Miss Mary! Ayan, nabalitaan ko na magse-celebrate ka na ng iyong kaarawan. Kaya, eto si Cusineri, babati sa iyo ng happy birthday. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday, Miss Mary! And of course, it's me, your Cusineri. Bye!
Hello guys, yan, gusto ko lang batiin ng happy birthday si Miss Mary. Yan, Miss Mary, happy birthday sa iyo. Mabuhay kang hangga't gusto mo. Yan. Yun lang. Thank you sa always support sa akin. Kay Uwel TV. Yan. Thank you so much sa walang sawa. Yan. Yun lang. Happy birthday. This is Uwel TV. Ang loyal ng YT. Hindi babaero. Minsan lang. Bye-bye.
Alright, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa lahat, sa ang sulok man kayo ng mundo. And bago ang lahat, this is Rustom Power Official. Ayan, at bumabati ng isang maligayang kaarawan kay Miss Mary. Ayan, Miss Mary, isa sa very supportive at napakabait dito sa YouTube na isang supporters. Grabe mag-support. Ayan. Ayan, happy birthday to you, Miss Mary. At ang wish ko lang ngayong kaarawan mo is naway maraming birthday at blessings pa ang dumating sa'yo. Ayan, yun lang, Miss Mary. At pasensya ka na, medyo puya tayo kaya may eyebags tayo. Ayan, salamat sa always support. And once again, happy birthday sa'yo. And God bless, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan, bye-bye!
Happy birthday po, Tita Miss Mary. More birthdays to come, and dito lang po kami, Team KB's Bulalakaw, and we love you always. More birthdays to come, and sana po wag ka po magbago. Yun lang po, happy birthday ulit, Tita Miss Mary.
Ayun na nga, ayan, mega love shoutout sa inyong lahat. It's Chiki G's Vlog here. So today I'm here to greet our special friend. Ito, napaka-special nitong tao nito sa akin. And I think very special din to sa lahat kasi napaka-supportive nitong taong to. And she's always there to support me, to support Familia Loyal, at sa lahat ng community na pinupuntahan niya, napaka-supportive nito. Halos makikita mo siya sa YT. Ayan. And it's her special day today. Walang iba kundi si Mary ko. Happy birthday, Mary ko. Ayan, ang nag-iisang Mary ko ni Chiki G's Vlog. Thank you so much sa laging suporta na ibinibigay mo sa aming lahat. Ayan, ang wish ko lang na maibibigay sa'yo is good health Ayun, wala nang iba. Yan ang the best wishes na marireceive mo sa iyong kaarawan. And of course, yung mga blessing na nare-receive mo is a bonus na lang yan. And once again, thank you sa lahat na support. And you know what, Merico, I appreciate all the gesture na ginagawa mo for me. And thank you talaga. Once again, happy birthday sa'yo. And ayun, may all your wishes come true. And God bless you always. Happy birthday, Mary! Mwah! Love you, Merico! Mwah, 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 mwah. Bye-bye!
Hi, Miss Mary! Hi, Miss Mary! Happy birthday to you from Prince Rio and Night Baker. We thank you so much for your life and for your endless support to our channel, and hoping you won't change and you won't forget us even we don't have time anymore to have vlogs, live shows, and hopefully one day again we can meet you again with your daughter, and hope to meet also your husband and your family members. Okay, and take care of your health always, and wish you more blessings in life, and always bear in mind that we always have God to look up. Okay, and happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you, cha cha cha. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Mwah.
Yan, hi Miss Mary, happy birthday. I wish you all the best and good health and more blessing to come, and thank you for the support always sa channel ko at sa lahat ng ka-team namin. Maraming salamat sa iyo sa pag-support mo sa amin. Kaya ayan, so happy birthday from me and my family. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, buong pamilya ko ang bumabati sa iyo. Happy Mother's Day din. Ayan, happy birthday.
Hi, Miss Mary. Kumusta? Birthday mo naman pala. Sana all birthday. Happy birthday, Miss Mary, and more birthdays to come and years to celebrate. And ayan, thank you. At isa ako sa mga sinabihan mo na magbigay ng birthday greetings. Thank you, Miss Mary. Happy birthday, Miss Mary. And yan, salamat sa ating friendship at always mong support sa aming mga channel na Miss Awesome. At sa akin, yan, salamat. Nandyan ka lagi. And sana hindi ka magbago. And yan, more friends sa YouTube and dito sa kahit sa labas sa YouTube. Ayan. Sana marami kang maging kaibigan ba, and yan, sana mahaba pa yung buhay at bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthdays ni Lord. Alright, and yun lang, Miss Mary, ingat lagi and enjoy your birthday. Thank you, Miss Mary.
Hello guys, this is Rhea of 5. Ayun, may babatiin lang po tayo. Nagsa-celebrate po siya ng kanyang mahalagang na araw, special na araw, kundi po si Miss Mary. Ayan, Miss Mary, happy birthday. Wish ko lang sa'yo is good health and more birthday to come. And ano pa ba, patuloy mo lang din yung mga ginagawa mo na nagpapasaya sa buhay mo. And mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. And ano pa ba, nagpapasalamat kami sa iyo kasi sobrang supportive mo lalo na sa Team High Voltage. Ayan, isa ka sa mga ampon ng High Voltage and alam ko na lagi ka nakasupport at alam ko saan-saan kang live na nakikita namin, napaka-supportive mo talaga. Basta Miss Mary, wag mo lang papabayaan yung sarili mo. Ayan, lalo na syempre nagkakaedad na din. So, iwas din sa puyat and ayun, dahil nga nagkakasakit ka na din madalas. So, iwas-iwas din sa mga, alam mo na yun. So, nanermo ng mother nyo. Ayun. Basta Miss Mary, mag-iingat ka lang lagi. And happy birthday. And salamat sa mga suporta mo, lalo sa High Voltage. Yan, this is Rhea of 5 and happy birthday again, Miss Mary. Thank you, thank you. Bye-bye and God bless. Mwah.
Hi everyone! Ito po si Medical TV na magsasabi sa inyo good morning, good afternoon, good evening sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko lang bumati ni Miss Mary na mag-celebrate sa araw niyang kaarawan this coming 22 of this month. Miss Mary, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best in life. Good health, of course. Be happy. Sana masaya ka sa kaarawan mo na ini-celebrate mo. Thank you so much sa lagi mong pagsusuporta sa channel ko. Thank you sa lahat. At lalo na sa iba, thank you sa mga supporters ko dyan. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. Bye!
Happy blessed birthday, Miss Mary. I wish you all the best in life. And of course, stay healthy, long life, and more blessings to come. Yung liglig umaapaw. Sana all. And of course, thank you kay YouTube dahil sa kanya ay nagkakilala tayo. So, thank you sa suporta mo lagi sa aking channel. And hope that more subscribers to come sa iyo and of course, revenue to come. So, enjoy lang po natin ang pag-YouTube and enjoy your special day. God bless! Mama!
Yan, mega love shoutout po sa lahat. Magandang hapon, magandang umaga, magandang gabi. Ayan, sa inyo at andito po ako ngayon para magbigay ng pagbati sa kaarawan ng isang masugid na supporters sa YT. Ayan, si Miss Mary. Miss Mary, ayan, happy birthday sa iyo. Wish ko lang good health, more blessings to come. Ayan, sana marami ka pang masuportahan at salamat sa lahat ng mga support mo. Ayan. Once again, happy birthday sa iyo. Ayan. Sana tumagal pa yung iyong buhay, di ba? Long life, long live. At enjoy lang sa YT. Ayan. Thank you and bye-bye.